Welcome to Tech Leveler. I'm Lee, and in this super quick video I'm going to show you how to delete part of a video in CapCut. So let's add our media to the timeline, and let's say you want to get rid of this end section here. All you need to do is highlight the clip and drag the end section so it's shorter. Now that's the easiest way to get rid of a section. However, if you want to get rid of, say, this little section here, you'd need to come to here, highlight the clip, press split, move to the second section or the end of the section what you want to delete, press split, highlight the bit you want rid of, press backspace. There you go. You've just deleted a section of the clip. I hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.